I'm here in my living room and I'm getting ready to clean my turtle tanks, which I know I've said for a while now that I was going to make a video of this, so I thought what better time than while I'm stuck in quarantine than to make a video. So I'm going to show you my tank and my turtle and how I kind of clean this big monster of a turtle tank. So here's my setup. There's Wanda on the rug there. She has a 90-gallon tank, so of course if I were to try to empty this tank using buckets, it would take all day. So what I do instead is I have this tool called a siphon, and you can see right now the siphon is in the water. It's actually sucking up water and it's pulling it. It's using gravity to pull the water down through this tube, and it goes right out the window there. So nice and easy for me. All my wastewater goes right outside. I've got a nice little garden. It's watering out there, so we make sure we don't waste the water. Here you can see this is Wanda's basking dock. So if ever she is too cold while she's wandering around, she'll make her way over here, up this ramp, and she'll just sit under the heat lamp for a little while until she's nice and warmed up. But she does love to explore. She plays with cat toys. She'll wander around the house kind of checking things out. So while this is siphoning water, I have taken out all of the plants for now. I'm going to rinse those in some water just to make sure they stay nice and clean. But it's a lot easier to get the gunk out of the water when those are not in there. I use a tool called a siphon to empty it. It makes it a lot easier. It's pretty cool. So what it is it's just this big tube. It's got a little suction thing on the end there, and I simply put one end in the water and then I let gravity do the rest. So now my siphon is pulling water out of my tank, so the water level is slowly going to go down, and what I can do is I can come over here and take this end here and I can move it around in the water and kind of suck up any dirt that I want to target and make sure I get out of there. And I wave the suction around. It's going to suck things up. And you can see that piece go up. So while this is siphoning, I can now just take my net and kind of go around in the water, scooping up all of the debris. So it looks like Wanda's tired of exploring. She's climbed back into her basking dock and she's just going to sit there soaking up some artificial sunlight.